Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best outdoor umbrella for high winds you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many outdoor umbrella for high winds and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each outdoor umbrella for high winds so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying an outdoor umbrella for high winds. The first thing to look at is the frame material. Choose strong aluminum, fiberglass, or steel frames that can handle gusty conditions without bending. Next, focus on the canopy fabric. A durable, UV-resistant, and breathable fabric like acrylic or polyester helps reduce wind pressure and extends lifespan. Another major factor is the umbrella's vented design, which allows wind to pass through instead of lifting the umbrella. Also, consider a sturdy base or anchoring system that keeps the umbrella stable in strong winds. Look for tilt and crank mechanisms that are easy to operate yet secure. Lastly, always check product reviews and manufacturer wind ratings before buying. These steps ensure safety, durability, and long-term satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.